What's up guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'll be working with Skip the Dishes, Uber Eats and Doordash from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. But I'm late. The time is 11:07. So let's get started. I just woke up. See, I'm supposed to start 10:15 to 1:15, but we could still start now. This is Uber Eats online. And you guys could stick around to the end if you want to watch the breakdown of the tips and how much I made per hour. All that said, let's go make some money, right? The first one is from Skip the Dishes, $7.37 for 5.4. Accept for sure. I grabbed that food, is a bit of a wait. There's no dining right now because of the COVID-19. We're back to shut down, partially shut down. We're not getting enough vaccine in Canada. And the virus is spiking really bad. 4 minutes away, 2.6 kilometers. So let's go drop that off. Deliver. Because of the COVID-19, gyms are closed, no indoor dining, no barber or hair salon open. 10% store only. Only 5 people outdoor for gathering as a group. No visit grandma, grandpa. This is Doordash, $5.25 for 7.2. Customer didn't tip, no thank you. Swipe to deliver, $20.36, and the time is 12:02. And this is Skip the Dishes. Doordash, zero money. Let's go back to Uber Eats. Not bad for the first hour, right? And it's all Skip the Dishes. This is Skip, 2.6 kilometers for $7. Accept. Pretty busy as usual. And I'm going back to Green and Grain restaurant. I just went there. Well, Uber, $3.69 for 3 kilometers. That's a Popeye's order. Could be a good tip, right? $33.86 and it's 12:31. Nothing from Doordashes yet, and the same goes for Uber Eats.
Your destination is on the right.
Wow, nice refreshing drinks. I'm so thirsty now. My first apartment drop off, but a customer came down. Love that. This is Doordash, $9.50 for 12.6 kilometers. Nope, thank you. Deliver that order. 3.4 kilometers for $7. It's Green and Grain again. I didn't take a screenshot. Missed it. Green and Grain, $7 for 3.4 kilometers. So let's head over there again. Let's see how far. So far they are fast. 2 minutes away. It's like a healthy restaurant, like Freshies. You guys have had Freshies? It's like that. Customer is 5 minutes away, 2.7 kilometers. My shift end with Skip the Dishes. $56.37. That would Skip the Dishes. I'm just gonna resume back with DoorDash. I hope DoorDash and Uber Eats don't screw up my time. I'm doing pretty good, right? Sending all these crappy orders. 17.3 kilometers for $9.89. $5.25. Customer tip $3. Thank you. Busy zone at Popeyes. Let's go there. It says that's a busy zone, and when you go there, nothing. You're just wasting time sitting there. So this is DoorDash. $10.25 for 5.4 kilometers. Accept. Thank you, DoorDash. That's a nice order. Yeah, I've been waiting for 10 minutes after I drop off that first order from Pizza Hut. Just thinking about call it quit. Apartment building, here we go. Guys, leave a comment down below. Let me know how is your gig world is going. Are you making lots of money? Thank you, customer, for coming down. This apartment building over there, and it sucks. You have to park all the way over here. $5.25 space pay. Customer tip $5. Thank you. I don't know what's going on with Uber Eats. Nothing. 0, 0. Base pay $5.25. Customer tip $3. Thank you. 10.1 kilometers for $6.25. No thank you. Decline that. Too far. That was nice. Another customer came down and gathered food from apartment building. Today's my lucky day. Awesome. Sad face because it's a low base pay. My shift ended. $38 with DoorDash, and the time is 3:11. I park in a busy spot here, so I'm gonna move and do the summary because there's no Uber Eats and we now have to wait for any tips to come in. Get it over and done, right? So I parked in a safe spot. It's not busy, in a parking lot, and there's a church right beside me here. So first, I want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Alright, so I had 0 order with Uber Eats. I have no idea what's going on. So this is DoorDash, $38. Start time 11:07, end time 3:11, active time 1 hour and 2 minutes, dash time 4 hours and 4 minutes, and 4 deliveries. Base pay is $5.25. Highest tip was $5. Nope, I'm wrong. The last one was $6. $11.25. So DoorDash is $38. So let's move over to Skip the Dishes. I had $7. And all of the customer tip. Thank you. This was the highest tip, $3.88. I guess Skip the Dishes need to up the base pay. They're pretty cheap. $3.99 sometimes for base pay. $3.99. All depends how far is the drive. $3.49. So Skip the Dishes is $56.37. DoorDash is $38. Give us $94.37 minus $7 gas equal $87.37 divided by 4 hours. Give us $21.84 per hour. Awesome wage for lunch hours, right? Can't complain about that. I'll take it to the bank. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.